So we're on to the next stage here, and that is we're going to tie the columns, or the posts, and these overhead column pieces, I guess we'd call them, into the roof structure, because at this point a lot of this rotted out and you can see the roof doesn't even touch here. So what we first have to do is, I kind of know from taking it apart earlier that there was a strip on here tying all the pieces in. Now first we have to assess, are these good enough, or do we have to take some of these out and redo them? For example, this one's really bad, lost a lot of the design, whereas this one's not too bad, some caulking. This one's even better. So we're going to assess that now. Otherwise we have them all, they're all here, but are they good enough? That's the question. So we have to assess that. Then we have to cut a strip to go on the top here, and then we have to put some roof boards in here, and then we put a piece that ties this together. And I think it'll be a 1x10, I think. And we're going to use 1x10s laminate together so we get the strength. And what we'll do is, when we're putting that in, we may have to jack the roof up. So we'll use these wedges wherever we need to get it up high enough to get them in, and then we'll take these out to let the roof down on the whole pedestal, which will basically go right down to the cinder blocks or concrete blocks on the ground. And then the whole roof will be supported. Most of it is supported now, but you can see this whole corner is gone. So we have to put it back in. So that's where we're at. So I have to assess the status of these guys first, take out what's bad, and then I'll have to make them on the lathe. Or maybe I can keep them all and do a lot of repair on them. I'm not sure. I gotta figure that one out. But then I need to know what size piece I need to go across here. Also, I gotta remove all these nails, these old nails. Not good. And maybe I have to pull these off, remove the old nails, and then put new nails holding them down. So that's another option. And then we also have some repair here. We'll do some more repair as we go.